What's up guys, it's your boy Jordan back with another e-commerce video. And in this video I want to talk to you guys about something that is really starting to gain popularity and something that's been working extremely well for me. I want to talk to you guys about Instagram story ads. I'm going to even show you with my editing software how to create an Instagram story ad and how to set it up with the Facebook advertisements and everything you're going to need to know to set up a good Instagram story ad. This placement is relatively new and not many people are using it, so you're going to be able to get cheaper CPMs. You're going to be able to stand out compared to your competitors, and ultimately you're going to be able to see better results. So I'm really excited to jump into this and share this knowledge with you guys. So if you like the quality of my content, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Join the family. We're coming right up on 6,000 subscribers and I can't appreciate you guys enough. Thank you so much. Also, I have a free Facebook group that you could join down below where you can network and meet up with other e-commerce entrepreneurs. It's a great platform and I highly suggest you join that. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so let's talk about some of the key points that you need to know about Instagram stories. And then, like I said, we're going to jump into Premiere. We're going to make an Instagram story, and then I'm even going to upload it to the ads manager for you guys. So pretty much full package, everything you're going to need to know about Instagram stories. So the first thing is that you need to make these videos extremely punctual. So basically what I mean by this is short and sweet. Like on the Instagram story, if you guys use Instagram every single day, I know for a fact you're not sitting there watching every single ad all the way through. You have to be able to create an advertisement that catches them off guard and gets them hooked. But the thing is, it's not likely that they're going to stay hooked for an extremely long period of time. So you need to get the point across in the first like 2 to 3 seconds. Ideally, you want it to be in the first second that they get a realization of what the product is and they understand it, because it's so easy for them to just do this and then the ad is gone forever. So like I said, you want it to be extremely punctual. You want it to be short and sweet. In terms of the time, I say 10 to 15 seconds. And the length of the entirety isn't so important. The main thing that is important is those first couple seconds, because if you can get them hooked in those first seconds, then you're good to go. So that's the first key point to understand. Now, the second thing is, should you do a video or a photo ad? So for me personally, I've had better success with the video ads, but only because I followed that principle that I shared in the beginning. Photo ads are going to work extremely well for you because of this principle that I shared. Because with a photo ad, you're going to be able to see the product right away and get an idea for it. But I like to have products that have like a wow factor. So I use the video to kind of show the wow factor aspect of that all. And as for the resolution of the video, you're going to do 1080 by 1920. And this is going to be that iPhone size. So it's going to fit on not just iPhone, on every phone automatically, and you'll be good to go. So those are the two kind of key points that I wanted to talk about. And the last thing is like what you should kind of use the IG story ads for. This is what I use them for. So use the IG stories for retargeting and for scaling winners. So I usually don't test brand new products on the Instagram story. I've had friends who do this and they have success with it, but I just don't do it personally. What I do is once I find something that starts to work, then I'll do an Instagram story ad and then I'll use it for retargeting. And then I also make another ad for scaling that product out on that other platform. And these are basically the only things that you're going to need to know about the Instagram story. And the main thing that this video is going to have is the actual editing of that. So we're going to get right into that right now. So take this stuff down, real simple stuff. For this video that I'm making here, I wanted to find a product that really, I'm going to move this to over here. So I really wanted to find a product that had like a wow factor and stand it out. And I think that this is a good product for an Instagram story. So that's why I decided to go with this one. It's basically like these metallic markers you'll see here. And it basically just shows it writing. And yeah, that's something that somebody would see that and it would catch them off guard. So I've got 3 clips here. I'm looking for one. One says like hi. Yeah, there's right here. All right, so we're going to import this clip here and keep existing settings. And we're going to import this clip here. And the way that I'm going to set up this video is I'm going to do a header. So you'll see what I mean in just 1 second. So I'm going to scale this up. And this is the exact format that I've used in the past. So you guys can take this stuff as well. So you're going to take the video and you're going to find how big you want it. So we're going to do about here. And also I like to speed up the videos. So this is moving way too slow. So to do this, just go to speed and duration and go to, we'll do 150. See how that looks? We'll do 200 actually. And that should be good. All right, cool. So then it looks like that. All right. And for the top, we're going to put something that like catches them off guard or kind of stands out to them. So we're going to put some text and it's going to say, so satisfying. Or it just kind of makes it so they see that and they're like, yeah, that is really satisfying. And what I'm doing right here is just putting a blur so it looks like clean in the background. So all I did was I just duplicated it, put it below. I got the Gaussian blur from the search and the effects, and then I just drag it up right here. So now I'm going to add some text. And to add the text, you just go to the top and hit new, and you go to legacy title. So we're going to hit OK. All right, and then up here, we're going to put so satisfying. And we'll scale this up a little bit. I don't like this font, so we're going to look for one that's like sans serif. Just like this, and we'll do bold, and we'll center it, and we'll scale it up just like 140, just so it fits the full length. 145. Awesome. And then just to make it a little bit fancy, we'll add a shadow to it. And like this format, I'm pretty much coming up with this on the fly, but it's similar to what I've used in the past, so you guys can take this exact format and apply it yourself. All right, so we'll put that text up top, and you can see now it's really simple, just like that. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. So now we're going to get heart eyes emoji. I want to put this at the bottom so it kind of feels like a more organic type of post. So we'll do PNG just so we get that. All right, this should be good. Wait for that to load. There we go. So now we're going to hit save. And then from there, we can import. So once we import this, we're pretty much, I don't want to say done, but the format of the video is pretty much completed. So we'll go down here. We'll scale this guy down. And we'll go down. And by the way, guys, I'm just kind of like running through this right now. But if you want like a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Premiere, I have one on my channel, and you could find that really easily. But hopefully you'll be able to take this and actually get some value out of it and apply it, because it's pretty like cookie cutter in terms of taking this and applying it. So we'll drag this guy over here just for continuity purposes. And now you can see we have a basic story ad. So this would come up on their feed and it would stand out to them. Actually, I'll put another heart eye just because I think 3 would look better. We'll add another track up top, click this, and then we'll just scroll down, unclick this, scroll up. All right, cool. So once we go up here, we can paste that, and then we'll put this guy right in the middle. That should be about centered. Needs to go a little more to the left. Perfect. All right, so now we have this. And it's playing and it stands out, and that's that. So that's pretty much the gist of the layout. So now I'm going to go through and I'm just going to add some more clips. So we don't even really need to do anything else at this point. I'm just going to add, a trick you can do is you can copy, Control-C, and then you can paste the attributes. So it's going to do the same thing, and then you can do this down here, and watch, it's going to allow me to do the exact same thing. So we'll go here, here, and then we'll go here and then paste. And yeah, so that does that. And then you can click both of these and we'll go to speed and duration, and we'll go to 200 again. So once again, it's just gonna show the drawing, and we're also gonna want to scale these guys out here. And we're gonna end with just this clip. We don't need to do the last clip. And we're gonna drag this guy over just a little bit to the right. All right, cool. So that's pretty much the ad. Typically, I would put music on, but there's no need to do music because I'm not going to actually launch this. But that's what I would usually do. And one last thing I'm going to add to this is a cross dissolve, just so it kind of flows a little bit better. Okay, we'll go like this. So I think an ad like this would do quite well on the Instagram story. It's real simple. It shows the product. It's not much to it. Somebody would either see this and in that first second get caught, or they would just keep scrolling. And I think a lot of people would actually be interested in it. So that's pretty much it for editing the video. I'll go back here. Let me hit save too so it doesn't disappear on me. And I'll play it from start full screen so you can see. Real simple. I mean, I edited this in 2 minutes perhaps. And you could do this same thing with other softwares too. I just like Premiere because it's super customizable. But it's kind of lagging on me. But you guys know what the video would look like. So I'm going to render the video now. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys me uploading it in the Ads Manager. Alright, so now that you have the video ad edited, the hard part is pretty much over. I didn't really even think that I needed to do this part of the video, but I might as well to make it a full circle thing. So let's keep moving forward. So you see I've got everything set up. This is like just a basic ad. I didn't change any of the location or anything like that. The only thing that you need to change is just go down here and hit edit placements, and you want to take Facebook off, you want to take audience off and Messenger off. And it's a little laggy right now because I got Premiere open and I'm recording, but y'all be okay. So then we're just going to turn off feed, and then we just have stories. So for the budget, it's whatever you're comfortable with. If you're testing it, $10 to $20 is good. You could even test on $5, but like I said, if you're using it for a winner that's already working, don't be a baby. Spend some money so you can get some actual results. And one day click usually, and that's all you need for that. So we'll just hit continue now. And I'm just gonna launch it from my personal Instagram because I don't want you guys seeing my other pages. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna hit upload video, and hopefully it doesn't show up some of my other stuff. Alright, cool. So that's that. Y'all probably just saw a bunch of stuff in the folders, so other products and stuff, so don't rewind the video. But after you do this, then you just kind of let it load, and once it's loaded up, then you'll pretty much be good to go. That's the whole process. And then you don't even need text to put in there. It's a story, so you don't type any of that. You just need a link to put in for the swipe up, and you'll be all set. So I'm just gonna wait for this to upload so you guys can see the preview. But yeah, that pretty much is everything. That's how you come up with the concept for the video. That's the principles behind it. That's how you edit the video. I hooked you guys up with this video, so you're welcome, you know. But we'll let this keep loading. It's probably gonna take a little while, but once it's done loading, I'll cut back and I'll talk to you guys again. Alright, cool. So now the video is uploaded. You guys can see the preview here, and I'm just going to change the CTA to Shop Now because that's a more accurate representation. But yeah, you see, I mean, that's my IG right there. So whatever your store page would be, it would be right there, and that's an ad. So I think that looks great. That would probably convert quite well. I would have to test it, you know, but I think it would look good. And then you would want to put your website. So in this case, you already know. But yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. That's all you need to know about Instagram story ads. I share with you guys what you need to know about them, how to set it up, and even uploading it to Facebook ads. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and comment down below maybe some other stuff that you would like to see. And I got you guys. You know I'm all about dropping the value bombs, and that's what my whole channel is structured around. So that's pretty much everything I have for you guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace.